Hardabhav. Hardabhav means Rita. Hardabhav means that Bhava Bhakti manifests in the heart by the wishes of a Vaishnava. So this is actually how Prahlad Maharaj attained Bhava Bhakti. So we see in the pastimes of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, he gave out Bhava Bhakti in the same way. By these three ways, Vachika, Darshan Dan, and by Harda. By his words, by his darshan, and by his heartfelt wishes. By his words, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, when he saw the fallen condition of Jagai and Madhai, when they finally surrendered, he spoke his words. He said, may you attain bhava and prema for Krishna. So by the words, by the Vachika Bhav, by the words of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Jagai and Madhai attained Bhava Bhakti. And as Lord Chaitanya moved all through India, he was moving all through North, South India, everywhere. Thousands of people had his darshan. And simply by darshan dan bhav, by seeing the beautiful, charming, attractive form of Lord Gauranga, thousands of people attained Bhava Bhakti just by seeing him. Because they were offenseless. They were saralata. They were simple and offenseless. So simply by seeing the gorgeous beauty of Gauranga, they fell in love with him. They immediately fell in love with him and attained Bhava Bhakti.